Okay, okay naman siya. Okay siya. Kitty gave him a massage.
Oh, wow.
Wow! Sweet one.
And then,
Kitty, yeah, go.
na ano siya, na speechless siya sa boyfriend. Hindi
Go na yan.
So ayun, I was updating him with the situation with our families and was happy to hear that we're all doing well, that we are all okay, that we're continuing to pray for him. Ngayon, mga positive things lang. We are telling him things that will uplift his spirit and things that will give him strength while he is in.
Nice. May advice ba siya sa'yo?
Secret.